Here's my Phantom wallet, $4.7 million, all made from launching meme coins. Not from gambling on trades, but from creating them. Stick around, I'll show you the exact process. Now, I used to refresh charts all night, hoping my entry would hit the moon, looking for the next big meme coin. But every time, I ended up being the bag holder and losing all my fucking bread. Then it clicked. The people cashing out money were not traders. They were devs. And as devs, bro, you control everything, the timing, the supply, and the entire narrative. And also, bro, you risk nothing at all. But if you keep trading like I used to, you will lose everything. And with Bitcoin breaking records and Solana currently pumping, by the way, is at $241. There's a shit ton of volume in the markets. This is the best time to start launching. This video is for educational purposes only. None of this is financial advice, so please don't copy me, cap. Now, Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Hundreds of new tokens go live every single minute and most vanish instantly. And since you don't own your own liquidity, you cannot even manage your own launch. But on Create Tokens.io, your coin launches straight to Raydium, it's instantly graduated and trading is live immediately. That's exactly why thousands of people use Create Tokens.io to dev coins. And also, bro, there's no coding required. If you make a coin on Pump.Fun, obviously there's no code, but they do hold your money from you. But on Create Tokens.io, it's fully in your wallet and fully in your control. I would highly recommend to use Create Tokens.io to dev meme coins. Well, you have to if you want to become profitable. Now, how to launch a meme coin? Now, there's two choices on Create Tokens.io. The first option is to create from scratch. So pick a hot narrative. Go on X, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and look for something trending that could be your narrative, okay? Imagine paying for a time with Disney princess, okay? That could be good. Breaking news. Yeah, by the way, Charlie Kirk just got shot. That's a good narrative. Anything around his name will make money. For example, he is the Charlie Kirk shooter. If you just make a coin on this guy, you could make potentially a couple $1,000s. You could even go viral, or just a couple $100 bare minimum. Okay, now once you have a narrative, come back to the site, then create a coin, right? Name your token symbol and upload a logo for the meme coin logo, and then click next, confirm, and yada yada yada. Then you're live from scratch. But the second option though is the most profitable, the copy trending coins. These coins are already hot on Pump.Fun with buyers chasing them. When you copy them here, they launch directly to Raydium with instant buyers and bigger profit potential right from the start. I would highly recommend copying coins at the beginning because these already have a good narrative. Okay, no more waiting, time to push a coin live and make it official. So first of all, connect your wallet, then click on refresh, and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. It could be literally anything, right? Like I said, just look for something to copy that gets your attention. I'm gonna go with the Bits coin. It looks like a Ethereum / Bitcoin. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago and a 52.6 grand market cap. So crit coin, and then just go through it. Ignore the block, it's completely normal. It's not a scam, by the way. Just click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. You just gotta be patient. And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where the market comes alive, adding liquidity so people can buy and sell your token instantly on Raydium. Now for the amount token A, just put 90%, that's 900 million tokens going into the pool. And for the amount token B, think of it as planting the first ever seed. You were the first ever buyer. It's not lost money, it's stored in the pool. Just make sure you have at least 0.3 Solana in your wallet, and when you pull out the liquidity later, it comes right back inside your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, just a bit more to be sure, and then click on create pool. And then you should be able to click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Bitcoin is now live, our P&L is right here, and if you click on refresh, now I'm up $221, which is really fucking great. If you click on view on Photon to see the chart, just give it some time for it to load. Bro, why is it doing this to me, bro? Come on now. Now let me go on full screen. We're already up a couple hundred. Come on. Oh my god, bro. What? Okay. We're kinda bullish, right? $40 right here. Let's go. Come on. 2K in liquidity. I mean, in market cap. We're getting a couple buyers. I mean, bro, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, so you just gotta be patient. It is gonna go up, okay? Just give it some time. It has to marinate. That's the power of Raydium now. Yeah, come on. $30 in my pocket, that's great, but it has to fucking pump. Oh my god, bro! It's pumping so much! Should I remove the liquidity or not? Actually, I'm gonna wait. Oh my god! Should I dump it? Oh my fucking god. Okay, it's pumping. Now, guys, I'm gonna give this coin a couple more minutes. I'm gonna be right back. It's so fucking bullish. So, guys, please bear with me. I'm gonna give this coin a couple more minutes. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I think I'm gonna remove the liquidity right now because, you know, I need the money. I'm trying to finish this video quick. Bro, it just went back down, but yeah, we could make some money. Maybe 1.5 thousand around there. Anyways, to make some money, come back to createtokens.io and then click on your refresh button. And boom, we're up $1.9 thousand, which is absolutely fucking crazy. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity, and now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive a SOL. Click on confirm, and bang! That's exactly how you dev a coin and make some money. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1.9 thousand right in my wallet.